Good morning. Given the current action in the market, the bulls have no idea as to what to do. Today's F&O expiry will only add to the choppiness as we brave for a negative end to the May series. To begin with, we expect a shaky start as most of the Asian markets are trading lower. Besides, the anxiety over the external environment remains. Results are still pouring in, which may impact the concerned stocks. The Reliance Pax could once again be in limelight on news of fresh collaboration between the two Ambani siblings. Notwithstanding Wednesday's big bounce, the overall scenario remains quite volatile and uncertain with a negative bias. The Dow Jones erased early gains to end below 10,000 despite a couple of encouraging economic reports. The late selling came in as the euro dipped below $1.22 as reports that China is reviewing its holding of the shared currency. The dollar index rose above 87. Crude oil is hovering around $70 a barrel. Gold is trading above $1,210. Risk reward continues to be unfavorable and may remain so in the short term. Avoid needless bravado and wait for some more declines before snapping up your favorite stocks. The results to be announced today are BPCL, BPL, Cairn India, Colgate, DB Corp, DS Kulkarni, Engineers India, SR Shipping, GSPC, GSPL, Jagran, Nagarjuna Fertilizers, National Fertilizers, Navali Lignite, Omex, Orchid Chems, Royal Orchid Hotels, Sangam India, Tata Motors, Vakrani Software and ZF Steering. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 1.66 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday on a provisional basis according to the NSE data. The local institutions were net buyers of Rs 648.6 million on the same day. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 19.81 billion. On Tuesday, FIIs were net sellers of Rs 14.22 billion in the cash segment according to the SEBI data. Reliance Industries RNRL to present gas supply agreement to the government in 2 weeks. Reliance Industries may consider buying minority stake in gas-based power plant of Reliance Power. Mahindra & Mahindra buys majority stake in electric car maker Reva. Shoppers Stop is close to buy additional 32% stake in Hypercity for 1.25 billion rupees. RBI announces measures to overcome short-term liquidity crunch and cuts SLRL by 50 basis points. Government announces measures to streamline and speed up its disinvestment in PSUs. Broadband wireless access auction bids Broadband wireless access auction bids cross Rs 100 billion on the third day. Government frees imports of radial tires by removing it from the restricted list. Food inflation to come down to 5% by November, says Planning Commission member Abhijit Sen. Sugar industry sees lifting of stocks limit on bulk sellers. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are long IDFC May 150 put option in the range of Rs 0.8 to 1.1 for a target of Rs 3 for expiry, and long SBI May future in the range of Rs 2,173 for a target price of Rs 2,195, and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 2,164. The technical calls are a buy on Siemens. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at levels of Rs 686 to Rs 694 for a target price of Rs 720, and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 680. A sell on Axis Bank. Traders are recommended to sell the stock at current market price and up to levels of Rs 1,165 and maintain a stop loss at Rs 1,180. Thank you and have a great day ahead.